How to find Instagram Reel templates quickly. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. With that you will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you will find different icons. Tap on this one icon, Reel icon. After you are in the Reel page, now you can just go through the Reels. Just keep on scrolling until you find this kind of Reel where it is showing the option of use template. Now you are able to use this template. All you have to do is tap on this option, use template. Now you can easily use this template. You can upload the photos and videos and then you can upload it as an Instagram reel. Likewise, heading towards next option, you have to download this app Canva. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. After you download this app, sign into it, and with that you will land to the home page. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Instagram Reel templates. And then you will land to this kind of interface. You will find tons of template options over here. Most of these templates are free of cost, so you can use it. All you have to do is tap on the template that you are interested in. Now you can upload photos and videos to this template. Also you can customize the text and then you can share it to your Instagram. For that you will need to tap on this icon given at the top right corner. With that you will get different options. You can use any of these options to share this reel on your Instagram. So this was all for this video. This is how you can find Instagram Reel templates quickly. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.